Frankie, the Dairy Drive campsite that's been housing people in tiny homes since 2021 is facing likely closure in September.
Our Maddie Heimsch brings us to the site to see what its future could hold.
If we do not find some additional funding, it will be closing.
That was Dairy Drive Program Director Brenda Conkle when I last spoke to her in March, and she told me that by fall, there was a possibility the site would be shut down. And now that fall has come, the people living on the Dairy Drive campsite are facing that very outcome.
We are working very hard so that the people that are still here will get into housing before it closes, but it's been very difficult.
The city's Board of Public Works recommended the dismantling of the site last week due to funding. A decision Community Development Director Jim O'Keefe says comes as expected.
The funds are depleted, and when it opened in the fall of 2021, the expectation was that it would continue for 2 years. And so we've been able to stretch that a little bit longer.
The campground, which provides on-site mental health, medical, and social supports, was originally paid for by one-time federal COVID relief funds. But O'Keefe says now the cost to upkeep those services runs $60,000 to $70,000 a month.
What really made it successful was the availability of on-site services. It's a considerable cost, and the money to maintain that just isn't there.
He says putting that money toward affordable housing and the new men's shelter would prove more effective.
We need to put our funds where we think they will be most impactful.
And leaving the tiny homes on Dairy Drive unsupervised would be a security concern.
We signaled well in advance of the closure that we were going to close to provide an opportunity for people to make other arrangements.
But Conkle says for Dairy Drive residents, those other arrangements may not be available.
That's what keeps me up at night, because we have people who, really aren't going to be able to live outside in the wintertime if they can't get into shelter.
The City Council is set to vote on September 2nd. Reporting on Madison's east side, I'm Maddie Heimsch, News 3 Now.
Maddie, thank you. It's that September City Council vote that will ultimately determine the future of that property.